Good morning children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So today we are going to do English grammar, and in English grammar we are going to do the revision. So children, there is a chapter number 1 which we have done earlier, alphabet fun. Yes children, what we are doing now is we have to arrange the words in alphabetical order. We have done the revision. मैंने आपको पूरा चैप्टर समझाया है, उसमें पूरे पिक्चर्स भेजे हैं, बुक्स में कैसे करना है वो समझाए, वही आपको बुक में से रीड करके आपको टेस्ट में करना है. ओके चिल्ड्रन, अगेन आई एम गिविंग अ स्मॉल रिव्यू ऑफ दैट. ओके, स्मॉल रिवीजन कर लेते हैं हम क्या है. ओके, वी विल रिकॉल इट. ओके चिल्ड्रन, यस. नंबर 1 इज अरेंज द वर्ड्स इन अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर. अरेंज द वर्ड्स इन अल्फाबेटिकल order. Words in alphabetical order. So children, what is the meaning of this? Arrange the words in alphabetical order means alphabetical order में आपको लिखना है. Okay children, all of you know what are alphabets? Yes. How many alphabets are there? There are 26 alphabets and we have to arrange it. Okay. गेम्स के नाम थे, फिर क्या क्या था आपको पता है, उसमें फर्स्ट में क्या थे, सब गेम्स के नाम थे. ओके, नाउ आई विल राइट इट. फुटबॉल, क्रिकेट, हॉकी, football, cricket, hockey and there is badminton. Yes, you have to arrange in the words. Okay children, हमने पहले किया हुआ है, सिर्फ रिवीजन कर रहे हैं. Okay, so I am not going deeply. Okay children, yes. So football, cricket, hockey and badminton. Okay, now let's arrange it. पहले A से only you have to see is the first alphabet. You don't have to look at the full word. Okay children, so A word is not there, B is there, so we'll do first is badminton. Now after B, what will come? C. Yes, cricket. After C, what will come? D. D is not there, E is not there, F, football. F-O-O-T-B-A-L-L, football. F के बाद G, G is not there, H, H is there, so here we write hockey. So children, to arrange in alphabetical order, it is too easy. You have to only see the first letter. Okay children, here we have done question number 1. Now we'll move to arrange the name of the characters. Yes, question number 2 was in your textbook is also that way. Arrange the letters or the words in alphabetical order. Characters के words है. Okay, arrange the name of the character. Arrange the characters in alphabetical order. I will rub here. Arrange the characters in alphabetical order. Okay. तो characters के नाम क्या थे? Yes children. What were the names of the characters? Red Riding Hood, Robin. Yes. So first is Red Riding Hood. Number 2 is Pinocchio. Number 2 Pinocchio. Number 3 is Thumbelina. Cinderella. Number 5 is Snow White and Goldilocks. Snow White and Goldilocks. Number 6 is Goldilocks. Now you have to arrange in the alphabetical order. पहले हमने जैसे किया वैसे ही करना है. चलो फर्स्ट लेटर देखना है और आपको अरेंज करना है. ओके चलो A है नहीं है, B is there, no, C is there with Cinderella. C I N C. Then after C, what will come? D. D is not there. E is also not there. F is not there. G is there. Yes, Goldilocks. So Goldilocks. Goldilocks. After G, what will come? H. H is not there. I is there. No. J not there. K is also not there, children. L is not there. M is not there. N is not there. O and P. P is Pinocchio. Pinocchio. After Pinocchio, what will come? P के बाद क्या आता है? Q. Q से कोई वर्ड है? नहीं है. R. Yes, R is Red Riding Hood. Red Riding Hood. After R is which word will alphabet will come? S. Yes, S is there. Snow White. After S के बाद क्या आता है? S. T. T is not there. Yes, there is Thumbelina. Here we have completed Thumbelina. ओके, तो ये अरेंज हो गया आपको अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में. ओके, नाउ विल मूव टू द वर्ड सेंटेंसेस. यस, वी हैव डन द सेंटेंसेस, चिल्ड्रन. व्हाट आर सेंटेंसेस? द वर्ड दैट मेक द sentence or the line that makes a sense, starts with a capital letters. Yes, children, that makes a complete sentence. Now we have to tick mark the sentence. Okay, children, tick which are the correct sentence. Tick on which are the correct sentence. Tick on the correct sentence. So which are the correct sentence, children? I will write and you have to tick it. अगर full sentence है तो ही tick mark करना है. Okay, now number 1 is the chair. I am only giving you the examples. I am not giving you what will come in your exam. Okay, children? I am giving you the examples. ऐसा पूछेंगे, same नहीं दे रही हूँ मैं. Okay, the chair. Is it a full sentence? Yes or no? No. So what will we do here? We will cross it. Okay, cross क्या करने की जरूरत है? Yes. Tick if it is complete, or cross which is wrong. Okay, tick. Number 1 is chair. Number 2 is in the market. Yes, in the market. Is it a full sentence or not? No. So we again will cross it. Birds are flying. Birds are flying. Full stop. Your capital letter is being started. Full stop also is there. Now what is it? Is it a complete sentence? Birds are flying. Is it a complete sentence? Yes, children. So we'll do a tick mark on it. Now we'll go for number 4. Number 4 we'll go at happy I am very today. Happy I am very today. Today. Yes, is it a complete sentence, children? No. Happy I am very today is not a complete sentence because it is not arranged in alphabetical order. If it was like that, I am happy, very happy today, then it will be a complete sentence. But it is not a complete sentence, so we'll cross it. Now we'll go for number 5. Number 5 is eating. She is eating an apple. Eating an apple. So, is it a complete sentence, children? She is eating an apple. Yes, it is a complete sentence. So, we'll put a tick mark. Here we have done the sentences. Complete the sentence. Okay, tick करना है. अभी now we'll go for rearrange the sentence. How to rearrange the sentence? As we rearrange the words, now we have to rearrange the sentence. Okay, children? We'll look at it. We have done it earlier, but again we'll revise it. Rearrange the sentences. Arrange the sentences. Number 1 is, I am only giving you the example. Playing is Sita. Is Sita. You have to arrange it. How will arrange it? Playing is Sita. Is playing Sita. Sita is playing. Yes, you have to arrange in the sentence. Complete sentence कैसे रहता है? Playing is Sita is a correct sentence? No. So you have to arrange it. Okay, children. Now we'll go for number 2. Number 2 is, you do have my book. You do my have book. So question mark. It is a question, so we'll put a question mark. If it is a sentence, we'll put a full stop. So, do you have my book? Yes, do you have my book is a complete question. So here we'll put a question mark. Okay, children. So these were the rearranged sentences. Okay, children. Now we'll move. So children, now we'll move to fill in the blanks with a or an. Okay. A or an, you have to put only a fill in the blank. Okay. Now, I will write the heading, fill in the blank. Fill in the blank with a or an. With a or an. A or an. Okay. Now number 1 is, this is my book. This is my dash book. Sorry. This is dash book. So B, you have to look at this. B is a vowel or a consonant, children. It is a consonant. So B is a consonant. We will write here A. This is a book. Full stop. Now, number 2. I am eating dash apple. I am eating dash apple. A is a vowel or a consonant, children? It is a vowel. So we will write here A and an apple. Rahul asked for dash tea. Sorry, dash cup of tea. Cup of tea. Rahul asked for dash cup of tea. So C is a vowel or a consonant. It is a consonant. So we will write here A. Rahul asked for a cup of tea. So children, these were the fill in the blanks with a or an. Now we'll move to question number 4 with a, an and the. Okay, a, an और the तीनों यूज करने हैं. जहाँ जिसकी जरूरत हो वो यूज करना है. Okay. Now I will rub it. All of you, I am only doing the revision, so I am not going deeply. I have explained you deeply. Yes, children. हमने पूरा समझाया था ना मैंने आपको कैसे करना है, क्या करना है, इसलिए मैं बहुत डेप्थ में नहीं जा रही हूँ. Okay, children, because you know. Okay, so now dash neem tree is very useful. Dash neem tree is very useful. Useful. Okay, full stop. Here specific name is given of a tree. When a specific name is given or repeated 2 times, the word will come the. कोई special person का नाम है, special name, place, thing is known as. कोई specific नाम दिया है तो क्या लगाएंगे हम? The. So here the will come. The neem tree is very useful. Number 1. Now we'll write number 2. Number 2 is dash Taj Mahal is in Agra. Dash Taj Mahal is in Agra. So Agra, Taj Mahal is the name of a place. So what we will write here? The. Now number 3 is dash apple keeps a doctor away. Keeps a doctor away. So apple, A is a vowel or a consonant? Yes, it is a vowel. So what we will write? An apple keeps a doctor away. So children, today I have given the revision of English grammar. Your test is coming, children. So you have to write your paper in neat and clean handwriting. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Okay children, thank you. Bye bye.